Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Seaga highway and we're heading towards Miami Bay. Somebody just flashed us, so I had to make sure I have my seatbelt on, and we're not going to exceed the speed limit because that means police are on the road somewhere. And they're on this road a lot because, as you can see, it's a very nice road, no potholes, practically as almost a straight road. So persons tend to speed. So sometimes you could have up to 3 different set of police on the road. Okay, there's that car flashing. So I guess we're getting closer to the police. The speed limit is 80 kilometers. So we are practically we're dropping down to about 60. Just to make sure. You can see the car in front of us slowing down too. And there's no law against flashing your lights. Not in Jamaica at least. But the police can still pull you over. Okay, they are on the left. We're not speeding, so they won't get us for speeding. But the police can pull over any car and do a spot check. Check the papers, those kind of things. But they usually do it for speeding. See, that officer has the radar gun in her hand. And I guess the car in front of them is getting a ticket because the police officer the second officer looked like he was writing up something. Now the government had announced some increase in the traffic fines. I'm not sure if it has taken effect yet. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But for not wearing a seatbelt, I know the fine was like $500. I'm not sure if the fine has gone up more. And if you exceed the speed limit, I think it was like for 5 to 15 miles over the speed limit. Let's say the speed limit was 60 and you get caught going 70. I think the ticket is like $5,000. I'm not sure if I know there was some plan to increase the fines. I don't know if it has taken effect yet. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in this comment section. But yeah, that's how they do it in Jamaica, especially, I shouldn't say especially, but when the police are on the road, motorists usually flash the light to signal to the oncoming traffic that police are ahead. So that means slow down because they're doing the traffic, checking the speed limit basically. Give it, what you call it in Jamaica now? You call it a speed trap, where the police are on the road monitoring the traffic to find people speeding. And I've driven on this road already, and the police have 3 separate speed traps along the road. Okay, we're now going 80 kilometers per hour, which is the speed limit. So that car that just passed us, it's definitely speeding. We're going to pass this car now. So this highway has you pay the toll when you're exiting the highway, not when you enter, when you're exiting. Except from up ahead, this toll that we're going through, it's the only fixed one. Now the PJ Patterson Highway, it has fixed toll plaza, so it doesn't matter where you get on the highway. Once you reach that toll plaza, you're going to pay the same rate. It's flat. So once you get to that plaza, okay, this is Golden Grove. The exit on the left is the Golden Grove. Now this highway is different. This highway that we're on, You get a card when you enter, and then when you exit, you present the card at the toll booth and they'll tell you how much to pay. It's not a fixed rate, it depends on where you get on. Now, this toll plaza is the last plaza. There are no more exits after this. So basically, this is the last toll plaza. So this one we're coming to now, everybody does not pay the same rate. We got on in, where did we get on? Unity Valley. And so we're going to pay one rate. And a person who got on in Caymanos would pay a different rate. So it's different. The two highways operate on the two different systems, two different toll systems. So like now I'm coming to this toll plaza, and I'll be honest with you, I have no idea how much it's going to cost. And they don't take credit cards here, and they don't even want to take coins. Alright, so we're going to present this toll card to this person. Hello. Okay, so alright, thank you. Okay, so we paid 1,200 from Unity Valley to here, and in terms of US, that's about $8 US. So that's not that bad, because when you think of the alternate route, you'd have to go, okay, if we didn't enter, we would have to go through, if we're going to say Montego Bay, we'd have to go over Chalky Hill, go through Stair Town, which is not a very nice road. Bad roads, narrow roads, you're going over a hill. If we're going to Ocho Rios, we'd have to continue on the road, and we go through Fern Gully, Walker's Wood. So basically, it's worth it for the type of road we'd have to drive on and the time it would take. Okay, we're heading to Montego Bay today. I'm going to make some videos down there, and so this will drop us out in Miami Bay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.